Hello, bonjour, hola, namaste. Welcome back to my channel Nomadic Manav. Welcome to the food capital of the world. We are in Penang, Malaysia. Welcome to paradise. So we are just heading towards Batu Firangi beach. There we'll be doing water sports, and from there we'll be going to Georgetown, which is the city center. Bye sir, thank you. The best thing about today's vlog is we are going to use the Canon G7X Mark II, and we are going to use the GoPro Hero 6. So be ready for some adventure. Both cameras are going simultaneously. So apparently we are going to parasailing right now. So what's the price? Okay, normal is 200 meters, medium is 500 meters.
Yes.
Then big is 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
So how much time it will take?
No time. Put here. You go. Bus again. Ada bus.
Only how?
Bawa good.
You fly.
Yes. No good. Saya. Jauh.
Okay, can I do this medium?
Yes.
No discount? Pay normal, but I get medium.
Yes. You have camera?
Yeah, I have.
For
So can I go with camera?
Yes. No problem.
It's okay?
Yes. Okay.
Best thing is that we have got discount. It was like 250 for medium, but we tried to bargain and we got the medium in the same price as normal. By the way, the super view angle in GoPro, I like it. Where are you from, sir? You're from Penang?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Where? Colombo.
Colombo.
Wow, it's totally a different experience. Amazing. I wanted to do this like since long, and finally it's like I don't have a drone, but GoPro is acting as a drone. It's like an experience becoming a drone yourself. The outside temperature over here is around 32 degrees Celsius. Clear skies. Winter is now actually over. Perfect place to get tanned. Thank you so much, bro.
Okay, no problem.
So guys, this is what I like about Penang. People are ready to help. I just didn't have internet, and you know, if you wanna go from this place back anywhere, you need a internet to book a cab, because the local taxi here is very expensive. You wanna go everywhere in the city, you can use the Grab. It's the cab which is officially here as Uber. You guys must be thinking that why am I traveling alone this time? Because not every time everyone has the same plan. Sometimes it's better, you know. You get your own individual space, you get your own time, and you are not in a hurry. That's the most important thing. So this is our car.
But the way shows that you are there.
I was here, I just yeah.
Did you notice that I'm very near to you? Just now?
No, I was not using my internet because I used someone else's internet to book the cab.
So you're going to which part of Georgetown here is big?
Can you drop me at Little India? So we are actually stuck in the traffic right now because it's weekend and Swakon festival is going on. and the whole city is jam-packed and all the tourists are coming over here. We are actually right in the center of Georgetown, and there is a place called Little India. Actually, I didn't have any food till since morning, so I have to grab some food. In the food capital of the world, we finally got some vegetarian food. Yes, I ordered South Indian thali over here, which is just 6 ringgit, and if you order North Indian thali over here, it's around 25 ringgit. Little India, where all Southern Indian people are there, so let's just try. This food generally has to be eaten by hands. Mango lassi. Finally, we are done with the lunch over here. Eating on the banana leaf was totally heavy. So now we are heading towards the 3D museum, which is just on the way. So the things made over here are pretty cool. We are going upstairs to check out more of the 3D prints. By the way, the shop behind me who sells this fruit is 70 years old. This is just for 1 ringgit. Finally, it's raining over here. The weather right now is very pleasant. The hotel which you are seeing right now is Hotel Equatorial. So in Equatorial Hotel, if you want some drinks, if you want any services, contact them. You know this guy? He just came last week, Gaurav.
Yeah, Manav, you know him?
Yeah.
Makes me drunk. Hope to see him again. What's your name?
Manav.
Manav. Okay, I'm Jen.
Jen.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
You guys enjoy, okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button down there, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share my video on Instagram. So till that time, thank you, Messi, gracias, dhanyawad. Catch you soon with yet another exciting destination. Bye bye.